is greater, 90% of 90, 40% of 90, or neither? They are both are equal. Which is the right answer? Pause the video, do the sum. Correct answer is 90% of 90 is greater. You know why? Step 1, right? Remember the rule, write the percent as a decimal, then multiply. 90% of 90, how do you write? 90% is 0.9 of 90 is multiplied by 90. 0.9 into 90 is 81. 40% of 90 is 0.4 times 90 equals 36. So 90% of 90, which is 81, is greater than 36. Okay, which one is greater? 90% of 90. Which is greater, 20% of 20 or 10% of 90? Or you say both are equal, there is no difference. Which one is the answer? Let's see the answer. Good job. 10% of 90 is greater. Let's see how. Rule, write the percent as decimal, then multiply. 20% of 20 is 0.2 into 20, that is equal to 4. 10% of 90 is 0.1 into 90, 9. So which one is big, 9 or 4? 9. So 10% of 90 is greater than 20% of 20. Which is less, 25% of 16 or 25% of 4? Or do you say both are equal? Neither means neither are less than other, both are equal. Answer is 25% of 4. Right? So how do we know? Write the decimal, percent as the decimal, and multiply. You see 4 is greater than 1, so 25% of 4 is less than 25% of 16. Which is less, 100% of 22 or 30% of 90, or neither? Pause the video, and the answer is 100% of 22. Look at the answer. 100% of 22 is less than 30% of 90. Which is less, 50% of 52, 40% of 75, or neither? Which is less? Yes, the answer is 50% of 52. You know why? Therefore 50% of 52 is less than 40% of 75. Which is greater, 30% of 90, 75% of 32, or neither? The answer is 30% of 90. Why? Look at the answer. This is greater. Which is less, 25% of 76, 25% of 72, or neither? The answer is 25% of 72 is greater, is less than 25% of 76. Reason is here. Pause the video and learn it. Which is less, 75% of 68 or 75% of 12, or neither? The answer is 75% of 12 is less than 75% of 68. Reason is, therefore 75% of 12 is less than 75% of 68. Which is less, 100% of 9 or 50% of 22, or neither? The answer is 100% of 9 Do you know why? Write the percent as a decimal, then multiply, right? Okay, here is the reason. Read it loud. Which is greater? Do it yourself. Answer is neither, they are equal. Reason is okay. Finally, one more, which is greater. Answer is good job. The reason is okay.